everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm sharing some happy mail that I received. Some of it I was expecting and some of it I'm not. This first one, this is from Diana at Diana Loves Colors. Let's see what she has sent my way. This really beautiful card. Oh, I was a last random draw winner from her challenge giveaway and I won $5 cash. Thank you for sending that cash my way, Diana. It was the bonus spin. That was very nice. Thank you for that. She also sent some extra goodies my way. We have some little things that were inside. We have these really cute stickers. So cute. Fun. Diana, thank you so much. Diana, your challenge was so fun to enter. Thank you so much for hosting. This next one, it says thank you very much. This is from Mary Ellen. Thank you so much for sending me wonderful shaker ATC. And I had entered Mary Ellen's challenge and she sent me a thank you card. Thank you so much. That was not necessary, but thank you also for hosting such a fun and easy challenge. And I received this package from Leanna at It's a Deal. Not expecting this. She sent this my way. The note that she sent along with this was because I had donated a prize to her 10,000 subscriber giveaway and she was thanking me. She sent this my way. So let's open this up. Check this out. This is so super cute. This is one of the beaded pens. I love it. I love these colors. Thank you so much. And she sent this beautiful charm and has my initial and I love it so much. I love things with my initial. This is so cute. Thank you so much. You did not have to do that. Thank you so much for thinking of me. This one is from Misty. Misty hosted a challenge and I won one of her prizes. It was called the Sugar Baby and I will have everybody's channels linked down below. This is her beautiful card. Look at that beautiful design. She's congratulating me on winning the Sugar Baby. The boho clip was inspired by Miss Hogg. We'll take a look at that. She also included some of these ephemera pieces and these are beautiful vintage ones. Ooh, I love that mushroom. These are beautiful. I love them so much. Thank you for sending those extra goodies. And let's take a look. She has this really cool star and moon bag. And oh wow, this is the clip. That is amazing. Oh, and this comes out. Wow. That's beautiful, Misty. Look at that detail. Thank you for sending this my way. It's beautifully designed. Thank you so much. This is the Sugar Baby. Look at how tiny that is. Oh my goodness.
And this is some artwork right here. Oh, she has like a dangle on this one. And these pages are like thick pages. This is so cute. I love it. So fun.
Very nice. This is so cute. Let's see. This measures 1.5 by 1.5. That's a baby for sure. Thank you so much, Misty. Thank you for hosting your challenge. This last package is from Annie Creates. She was doing a giveaway. She was purging some of her Christmas supplies and I was one of her winners. She sent me this card that has this pretty butterfly on it. And this is the card she made. Isn't that beautiful? It's all layered up and has this beautiful gold paper. And she wrote me a note inside. Here's her channel. She shared these really nice Christmas papers, which I'm in love. I love Christmas stuff so much. I will hoard this forever. These cute envelope seals and these cards. These are beautiful papers. I love these double-sided ones. I'll make these into envelopes to ship my dewdrops in. I love this one. Annie, thank you so much for sharing your Christmas papers. I appreciate it so much. This was so much beautiful happy mail that I received. Thank you everyone so much that has sent something my way. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.